G'day. Today I'm doing the world's shittiest job, yet again. So it's been a little while since the toilet packed it in, but today the toilet packed it in. So just finished a month-long voyage from Whangarei in New Zealand up to Port Vila. Spent a few weeks up here, and yeah, today the macerator pump shorted out, fused a wire, but it was basically the macerator pump was blocked. So yeah, I had to pull it out, and thankfully it's recoverable, but it's still a really crappy job. So I'll show you where it came from. So down in that spot there with hose ends is where my macerator pump goes, and I have a manual bilge pump which I can connect to the toilet in case the macerator pump dies. But people are lazy, so they don't really like that. And there's the wires that started to fuse off. So yeah, in here it smells a bit. Very undesirable place to be right at the moment. But yes, we've got it out and we're doing some work. So, potions and lotions drawer. This is the macerator pump. It's pulled apart. Got the end cap. Got the macerator. Little metal thing. Which sort of surprises me because I went and bought another one from Burnsco when I was there, and they sold me a plastic one. So I think I've been ripped, but that's another problem for another day. At the moment, a metal one can just be cleaned and put back in. So there's a cap, and you've got an impeller there which pushes the shit and fluid. Got a little plate here. On top of that plate is a little macerator which chops all this shit up into bite-sized bits, which can then be pushed up the hose. So I'm just going to put that back together. Give me 1 minute. Beers are us. Got some other smell. So I used a little bit of gasket cement, gasket goo, to join it back up, and squeeze it back in. I've given it a clean out. The reason it jammed up was hair. So, given that I don't have much hair, I don't think it's me. I think it's probably females on board. So I'm thinking women have been throwing their hair down the fucking toilet and flushing it, which has been going around the macerator, jamming it up, and eventually seized the macerator. And that fused the wires, which could have been untidy. It could have caused a fire on board. But luckily it sounded wrong when I was running it, and then it started to overheat some wires and pulled it apart, and here we are now with a shitty job on the engine bay and me into my second going on third beer. So, but I do have a spare macerator, but I don't, but it was an old one, and I've got a macerator, one impeller. So again, I'm not sure it fits, but I'm sure if I pulled them all apart I would piece together something that would work. Otherwise I'd go to the manual backup. Failing that, I'd go to the bucket, which people love. People love shitting in the bucket and putting it over the side. But here we are in paradise on a balmy, hot as fuck afternoon, and fixing the fucking macerator pump, which is the lowest, shittiest job on the fucking boat spectrum, other than right in the bottom of the bilge. So, yeah, finished ranting here. I'm back to my beers. Ciao.